website of Shewin. So they basically are a drop shipping wholesale company, so they do have a lot of items that you could get at wholesale cost, but the best part about it is that you don't have to buy these huge bulk orders where you're buying like 100 to 200 items at a time. You know, you are able to choose how many you want to purchase, and this is why I think this is definitely their competitive advantage. And then right now, as we are basically moving into fall, we're in September already, they have a lot of fall clothing available on their website. So this is really the time for you to buy your cardigans, your denim, your jackets, and just different things like that you're wanting for your store in this time. A lot of what I got was basically just loungewear and pajamas, so loungewear and pajamas. But if I'm being honest, I have worn basically everything that I have here so far, and this is one of them. This is the black romper. So this is the black romper, and I love it because I feel like this is something that you could just wear lounging around the house, or you could wear it when you're going out. It is definitely true to size as well. I got a size large in this, and their size large is between 12 and 14. And I feel like this fits me perfectly, and I really do love it. The material feels really nice. It doesn't feel extremely thin, and it's also not see-through. That's what I love about this. And then they do offer UPS express shipping, and then, you know, standard shipping on their website. So they have UPS, FedEx, DHL. So this is basically the romper set. It's honestly so cute, and I really do like it. I definitely like it a lot more for lounging around the house. So the next thing that I want to show you guys, this one, I love this so much, and this is so comfortable. I've been wearing this ever since I got it. This is their white star print long sleeve top and shorts lounge set. This is honestly so comfortable. The material is so soft. It's honestly ridiculous. And I know that some of you normally do ask if they have like tags on the back of their things with their logo and stuff on it. They do not have that. So if you want to do private labeling on your own, this is definitely something that you can do, because they don't have like their own label on the back of any of the clothing items, which is great. But it's honestly so cute. I love it. It's so soft. There's no way that you can put this on and be like you don't like it. It's honestly super soft and comfortable. It's something that I never want to take off, honestly. And then here are the shorts. The quality is honestly just so good, and I got this also in a large. I basically got every set that I got in a size large. So if these are things that you guys are interested in, definitely get them, because honestly super soft. I would say that this set is a lot softer than this, and it's just, you're not gonna want to take that off, honestly. And then the next thing I got, I love this so much because of the color. It's honestly so flattering. I feel like this color looks good on basically everybody. So this is basically their, what is it called, their rosy leopard casual pocket satin pajama set, and honestly it's very cute, very comfortable. I got it in a size large. I definitely can say that it is true to size, and I honestly just love it. It is really soft, really satiny. These are like the perfect pajamas that you put on after you take like an everything shower, where you shaved, moisturized, did your skincare routine and everything like that, and you just want to cuddle up in bed and be comfortable. This is what I would put on. Then this is what the top looks like as well. It's honestly very cute. This I definitely recommend. Okay, in the last set that I got, this is definitely giving fall vibes. This is the brown set. It is a two-piece set. It comes with the top and the bottom, and this is their brown ribbed Henley shirt and wide leg pants. It's their loungewear set, and they do have other colors. They also have pink, they have black, and they have this olive green color. But honestly, I love this so much. I've worn these already as well. It's really comfortable, and again, this is like the perfect transitional wear for the fall season, and I just think that this color looks so flattering on most skin colors. So this is definitely something I can recommend, and it's just super cute. The material feels really nice as well, and it is true to size. One thing I can say though is, except for the pants, I don't know if it's because I'm tall, but I wish that the pants were a little longer. I'm almost 5'7", so that's probably why, but I think most people would like the length of these pants. So that is pretty much it that I wanted to share with you guys in today's